What do you do? I am a student. What do you do? I am a student. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Where are you going? I am going to the market. How are you? I am fine, thanks. How are you? I am fine, thanks. Who is he? He is my brother. Who is he? He is my brother. How old are you? I am 20 years old. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What are you planting? I am planting flowers. What are you planting? I am planting flowers. Thanks for watching and do not forget to share this video.